guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we have the GTI in for a custom carbon fiber steering wheel going in. So we'll be removing the stock steering wheel in there. We got the steering wheel over here. I already pre-opened it. So here it is. We got carbon fiber perforated leather with red stitching. And we got the black, red, and yellow striping on the top. So I'm gonna set up the camera so we can start getting the steering wheel off. Alright guys, so I'm in the car. So you want to have the key in the ignition so you're able to turn the steering wheel this way, like that. And then there's going to be so I used this trim tool here to kind of get the clip out. Now the bottom one. Alright guys, so I got the top one out and I'm gonna start working on the bottom clip. Alright, so the clip is in. There we go. We got the airbag out now. So next what we're gonna want to do is pull this white piece off of the airbag. And then this is going to be a 12-point M12 bolt in there. So we're gonna go get our M12 set and take that off. So yeah, first I'm gonna unplug that. So with your flathead, you can just pull this out like that. Should just unplug after that. So you guys saw, you just pull the white clip out and then just pull the whole yellow plug out. So I'm gonna put that on the side for now. Next we gotta get that out. Alright, so that's a 12. There it is. Comes off like that. Next, we're gonna take off these silver trims. I already took off the bottom one. So these look like they're 15s, or they're actually 20s. Yeah, so they're T20 Torx. Take these out, so you don't lose them. Let's swap it over to the new steering wheel. So my steering wheel doesn't have the multi-function steering wheel button, so it's a pretty basic one. Comes out like that. Right, so new steering wheel. So we had it on sideways. If you guys can see, kind of, there's a notch right there. Bring you guys in. There is a notch on the steering wheel right there that should align with the notch on the steering wheel right here. So obviously we had it on sideways. So it should line up. I feel like I'm one off. Let's put our trim piece on. That one. That one. That's going on. There we go. Put these 20 torques back in. Right, that's in. Put that on. Alright, so we're putting our bolt back in. Good. We'll put our airbag, plug that back in, put that in. Now we're gonna push the airbag back in. I don't know if I want to put the stock one back on or leave the carbon fiber one. Probably leave the carbon one for now, because this one, it's kind of coming off and stuff, the lettering. So I'll leave that off. I'll leave the carbon on for now. We're just gonna push it in now. Go clipped in. Trims back on. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna put the trims on and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, so that's the steering wheel. Looks pretty good. Feels good. Just one more close up. Let me zoom out for you guys. Yeah. This is the carbon fiber. Like I said, I'm not sure if I want to keep this carbon or get a new one of these. Since the rest is silver, I don't know. Let's see how it looks. I'll probably get a new one. But yeah, this is how it looks. There's the stripe right there. It looks really good. Alright guys, so it was a bit of a struggle. I cut out a lot of that video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, let me know what you guys think of the steering wheel. How do you guys think it came out? I really like it a lot. I was gonna do some LED fog light, like strobe lights, but the ones that I got, They're pretty terrible. These, they weren't very bright, so I'm not even gonna do it. I did it off camera and I didn't like how it looked, so I'm gonna just return these and hopefully find something newer. That's the install on the car, guys. I'm gonna just finish tidying up over here, tighten the negative on the battery, clean up the inside. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.